time, cooks have made their own recipes, and this is my adaptation of this small but very satisfying bake, including a top tip to increase the flavour. Hello, my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. Rock cakes or rock buns are small cakes containing fruit with a rough surface. This small cake has a long history, being mentioned in a recipe book in 1861 and this one published around 1930. In the Second World War, rock cakes were promoted in the UK by the Ministry of Food as they only required a few ingredients. I'll show you how to make them. So the ingredients are 225 grams of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I've sieved together, 60 grams of caster sugar, 1 beaten egg, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 125 grams of fruit and 3 teaspoons of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and I've got some milk here. We might need about 3 teaspoons of milk. I'm not really sure, we'll have to wait and see how much we need to make the dough. 3 teaspoons of orange juice I've poured over the fruit and let it soak in while I prepared all of the other ingredients. The juice will hydrate the fruit to give it an orange tang in the background, and this is what will make a difference to your bake. So start by rubbing the butter into the flour. So nice fine breadcrumbs. Now we add the sugar, the mixed spice, and then the fruit. Ooh, that smells delicious. And now the egg. So I need to bring this into a dough. It is quite moist at the moment, so I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of milk. And that's looking a really good consistency now. So it didn't take very much milk at all. With the beaten egg and the moisture from the fruit soaked in the orange juice, the mixture only needed 1 teaspoon of milk to bind it together. If your mixture gets too wet, don't worry. Add a little flour and this will bring the mixture back to a good consistency. The easiest way to put the mixture onto the tray is just by using a spoon. The rougher the mixture looks, the better, and it brings out the character of the cakes. I've got some sugar here which I'm going to sprinkle over the top of each cake, and this will give it a lovely crunchy topping. And again, this is what will make a difference to your bake. The rock cakes need to go into a preheated oven and baked at 200 degrees C, 180 degrees C fan, gas 6 for 15 to 20 minutes. However, I would say that after the 15 minutes has passed, just check them because they may already be done. It really depends on your oven. But as I'm waiting for my cakes to cook, I thought I would show you again the Modern Housewives book that was published in 1930, and in it has a recipe for rock buns, rock cakes, and it actually calls for dripping to be used and Australian currants. So I'm sure at that time it would have been a very exotic ingredient. The rock cakes have cooled down now, and this is the result. I think they're looking really good, and I'm just going to do the taste test. It's really light inside and it tastes beautiful. And the outside has that bit of crunch on that was caused by the sugar going on the top. So I think that that is a really good bake. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at making these lovely rock cakes, and come on back and see what I'm baking next time. Bye!